think can get started. And good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Once again, welcome to the today's session on strengthening business and education using AI. And today we will discuss about how you can use the AI, developing AI in your businesses or your education to be leveraging it to do better. So AI can really help you with your daily things or anything related to education, business in 10 times faster. So we will discuss about it, and we have Zani, who is going to be joining, who is a Microsoft MVP, and he's going to be taking through the topic. So on this today's virtual meetup for Code Without Barriers, I just want to mention about Code Without Barriers and what they are doing. And what Code Without Barriers is initiative for women in Asia Pacific to be jumping into technology region and helping them in their career path, even starting or in the career path as well. So if you are interested, who are women, and if you're interested in technology and you are starting out, or even if you're already in your career, you can join the Code Without Barriers program where you will get mentorships, job opportunities, internships, challenges where you can, show off your skills to get the job, and also there are free training that they offer for women in Asia Pacific. So if you are somebody who is, passionate about technology and you want to jump into technology, this is your go-to place. I will share the link where you can sign up, and there is no cost associated with it. You guys can sign up and use it on today. And also today is Women's International Women's Day, and happy Women's Day to everybody who is woman here. And just wanted to greet you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much today. And I also want to mention that the session is recorded. Do not have to be recording on your end for previous checking and those things like that. We'll also share a note through the email, and also there is a certificate of participation that we'll be sending out at the end of the session. So you need to be waiting till the end. I will share the form, and you can basically fill out, and you will get that form on Monday, or basically the certificate. So we will send it out on Monday. But please, please, please make sure that you fill out your email and name properly. And sometimes we get people who come back not getting it. So make sure you fill it accurately. Okay. That's it from my side. And the stage is all for Lani for getting started with the session.
Hello, thank you, Suraj. Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for your joining my session. I want to share my slide. Suraj, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Thank you. My name is Zarni Tyn. I'm from Myanmar. This Today our section is strengthen business and education using AI. This is a main topic. This is a very important today. I want to share my profile. This is my profile, and this is I very happy, and the travel this time, the seventh time with this our organization. This my friend, dear my friend Suraj. My name is Zarni Tyn. I have a Facebook account, LinkedIn account, and YouTube channel. If you are using this channel and this account, you can contact to me free the your you have the any question and any training, I will support you, and I will discuss in your organization and in your learning. But I'm one of the trainer, MCD trainer, since 2014, the 7 years training experience this Microsoft, and then I also the MBB. MBB, you know, the Microsoft most valuable professional since 2019. This is my sixth time in 2024. If I achieve this year on July, MBB is always announced the first July first week, second week. If I achieve the MVP, this is my coming the seventh time in MVP. I very appreciate our organization and Microsoft, and then other application Microsoft and other technology company. This time is all technology company is the merger in our world. This is very important. You can contact. This is my phone. This is a Myanmar phone. You can contact to the Myanmar number plus 959 and 96. This is my phone number. If you contact me, this is my phone number. And then if you are the broad your country, and you can contact the Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube channel. This is my profile briefly. And then I want to this share. This is my main topic: strengthen business and education using AI. First of all, I want to tell that this is very important. This every sector in our all education is very important. Our this next generation and our generation that prepare the education platform, and also the business is very important. If you stand your life career, you must do this sector. Two sector is very important, and because this other sector, health sector, and your finance sector, your marketing sector is very important, but I think this two sector is very more important other sector. Okay, and I want to share this agenda. Today agenda is the six pillar. First is what is AI. Everything everybody known as what is AI is everything artificial intelligence. This is not this definition. This is the not a meaning. This is what meaning. This is artificial intelligence. Okay, I want to show you and I want to explain what is AI very clearly. Yeah. Second topic is benefit of using AI. This is very important for our life this in the world. And third topic is a challenge of not using AI. If you are not using the AI, how to face your life career, how to face your life journey, and this is very important. This is the third our agenda. Fourth agenda is strengthen business using AI, and this is the fourth agenda. If you are using AI, you can achieve the how to advantage of business, and this is a very important. And fifth agenda is strengthen education using AI. If you are using the AI with your education, how to improve your and how can boost your education lifestyle. Final, I want to share how to study, and this is very important. How to start, how to study, how to learn. This is a very important. I want to share agenda is this agenda. First of all, I want to say this is our this Ramadan month. I wish your this Ramadan Kareem and your Ramadan Mubarak. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is very important in our month. Yes. Okay. I want to share the first. What is AI? What is AI? AI means is a two sector. Fact sector is a computer system. AI is a computer system, and not it is other sector. This is only the computer system. This computer system include the software, algorithm, and modem. This is include the computer system. I want to show you a demo the next section. Okay, and second item is most of the people comment asking the AI is artificial intelligence. Okay, and the AI which the artificial mean is the replicated which item it replicated, it is a human being. Oh, sorry, human brain. Human brain is artificial is replicated. Human brain, not only the real replicated. This is only the man-made. Okay, first of all, I want to show you this is very important. What is AI? AI is two things. First thing is a computer system, and second thing is the the replicated our human brain. Yeah, not only the not natural and not replicated. This is a man-made. Yeah, your man can teach computer system how is the they use the AI. This is a man-made reason. Okay, and our brain, the what are the doing the our brain? Our brain is the this reasoning, analyze, learning from mistake, discussion, making, and this is our brain doing work. Okay, this is similarly the artificial intelligence doing this work. Artificial intelligence doing the reasoning, analyze, learning from the mistake, and the final is the decision making. This is similarly our brain and the artificial intelligent computer system. Okay, this is a very clear. Yeah, and you know the first of all, you know this what is AI. AI is one thing is the computer system. The second thing is this replicated in our human brain. This is very clear the definition. Okay, and second step, this artificial intelligence base two base. First is the deep learning, and the second is the machine learning. Most of the people know the computer system. Computer known is the two digits and 0 and 1. Yeah, everybody know this computer system is computer is not learning this is a language, English language, but this is a Urdu language in Arabic language and other language. Computer doesn't know this language. A computer is only the learn the this is a machine language. This okay, and we are using human using human language. Not computer is not only the machine language. Okay, and then you know this is I want to teach AI. There's a robot and the other AI machine. You must learn the machine learning, yeah, and the machine language. AI based two base. First is deep learning, and second is machine learning. This is a artificial intelligence basis two form. Okay, and then this is a computer system. Computer system is based on the the hardware is a base computer system, and then if you have the hardware only, you can't use the computer system. You need to install operating system such as most of the people know the Microsoft product, Windows, and the other products is Apple's Mac OS and the Linux, and this is a computer system, a computer operating system. Most of the people are using today mobile telephone. Mobile telephone operating system is the most popular is the two. First is a Google product. This is Android, and the Apple product is the this iOS. Okay, and you need to this item, two item. First item is the hardware, and second item is the operating system. If you have these two item, okay, you can apply and you can use, you can configure this computer system. This is a base form, and then you can if you want to use the apps, it means example is the you can use the Microsoft Office, and you want to use the Photoshop, you want to use you want to use play the game application, you can add on but application. This is the application form. Final upper layer is you can see the end user. If you be this and the end user, this is a computer system. This is a very clearly form, and then you can see the AI artificial intelligence is the base form is the you are using the this is a base form is a hardware operating system, and you can add on the application, and the final end user is the you are using sector. Okay, that this is a machine language. And second, deep learning, how to learn the AI. AI is not start in 2040 2024 or 2050 2025. AI start I think since 1950. This is a old modern AI. AI is just change the generation. First generation is the 1950, around about 1960. This is a AI start period, but not developed. This is AI. AI developed is the next. This today AI is the very most popular today our technology. But AI not start in 2024 or in 2025, 2025. Yes. Okay. First, the AI is starting is the 1950 or 1960. This is the starting AI working. Yeah. And then this first AI studying is the AI not developed, and AI not popular because AI learn is a limit. data. Yeah, most of the people is using the computer, but in store this the storage device is a local machine. Most of the people save the file, document, and video, and this is saved in our own devices. But we are changing it in 1970. We started the network. Network started in 1970. This is the most of the people are using the network, and the internet booming is this 2000 is internet booming period, and then you can see the most of the people using the internet and save their data in the data center, and using the Gmail and the other social media, just like the Facebook and LinkedIn and other YouTube channel. We have the big data. Data is in our data center. So AI learn this can learn their data is the very big data, and in this is AI can deep learning period. Okay, and not AI is the not this is automatically learning. This the first of all AI man-made and the AI the training. AI training is a man-made. Okay, and the developer train the AI. What is cat? Example is what is a cat? Cat have this is a tail, and this is this cat is this ear is cat. But AI now don't know that this is a cat as the only, and the big data AI can learn the many picture and many video. What is the cat define? Okay, today AI can right answer is very important, and human can bear the scale appear error 5 percentage. AI can error. This is a 2 percentage. This is a very different. Human and AI can make the error. Okay, this AI is a very intelligent period. Okay, why AI applicable? This is this can the improve the intelligence, and this is for the big data is very important. Okay, this is an era change. Our human is studying the era is agriculture. This is the first step. And second step is the industry. This era is the second as the industry era, and that's the final. Today our facing the technology era is this is our facing this era changes. This is a three step. Yeah, this is in our world in the facing. Most of the people know this era change. And the computer side of the computer side of the what is AI. You can see this first 1940 start computer system. This is starting the VCNQ, and there's second is a transistor. That is integrated circuit. Most of the people know IC, and today our developing country, just like our Myanmar, is the microprocessor. Most of the developed country is using the artificial intelligence. This is AI is the not this appeared this is a magic. No, this is a change our life journey. Yeah, what is AI? AI change this journey. This is a step by step, and this is a very the human hardworking how to improve the AI. Yeah, this is a very important. And this is a microprocessor. It's called the processor and the CPU. CPU chain the CPU and the chain to the GPU, and the final. And we are using the NPU, neural processing unit. And this is AI technology change. This is error. Most of the people, Microsoft are using this. The Copilot plus PC, and this is using the NPU. Yeah, and we using this computer can boost your business and your journey and your lifestyle. It can count the your appreciated this is a time, and you are using the NPU. NPU is a very most popular today. You can search, and you can see the CPU's change the generation, CPU, GPU, and today is the NPU generation. Yeah, and this is a very important. Okay, I want to show you a demo. You can see our screen, and then you can see if you are using the computer and the laptop, you can see this is our hardware information. You can see this is our microprocessor. I am using the Intel processor, and this is a memory, and this is a baseline. This is our hardware. You can see this is a hardware information, and then you can see that this is our operating system is Windows 11 Pro. This is our operating system. What I mean this demo, I want to discuss this is a very baseline, is a very important technology. If you are the using Microsoft Windows, you can't use the only the Microsoft Windows installation. It means that this is a application form. Yeah, application form. You can see this is a Microsoft Microsoft Word. This is an application. This called a third party application. If you are used Microsoft Word, you have base form is two base form. First is hardware, and second is operating system. It's based AI. AI means is the not AI. If you want to use AI directly, you can use the AI, because you learn the baseline algorithm, and the baseline you lead this fundamental. This is a very important. It is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word. If you want to use the Microsoft Word and the other Photoshop and other application, you need to the two sector. First sector is the hardware, and second is the operating system. This is very important. Okay, and then you can see this is our changes this sector. If you are using the some of the application based on the 32 bits, and some of the application based on the 64-bit, it is depend on your operating system and your hardware. This is a very important. Okay, I want to go back our slide. Okay, this is a first. Second is the benefit of using AI today. Yeah, if you are using the AI today, you can which benefit and which advantage you are achieve. This is the some of the item I described, and you can, if you are using the AI, first increase efficiency. Efficiency is a very important. AI can complete tasks faster than human. Yeah, AI is not this is human. This is a computer system. Computer system can reducing time and effort. Yes, that's very important. If you are using the AI, you can achieve this item. Second is a highly accuracy. Accuracy is the means is a AI minimize human error. Yeah, if first of all, I want to say this is a AI can AI maybe the 2 percentage, human maybe the 5 percentage. This is different 3 percentage. Okay, and this is you're facing this is the accuracy. Human error is more than AI, but always it can be, yeah, it is there's a possibility error. Okay, and third is automation of the text. You can the repetition and the manual processing can be automatic, saving the resource. This is a third benefit. Fourth benefit is the enhanced user experience. AI personalized. It means AI that define the not only the group. It can the one person who and the John or Smith or other. This is item. AI can personalize recommendation. This is improve customer interaction. This is a very important. Now final is the advance in science and technology. AI can accelerate. This is it can the boost. AI can boost research, innovation, and various fields. This is a very important. Using benefit of using AI today, you can achieve this item. This is a 5 item. Okay, and the second things is a challenge of not using AI. If you are not using AI, how to face your career, how to face your business, how to face your education career, and this is a this a challenge. First is the loss of the competitive edge. A company or your person or your nation may be fall behind in innovation. This is the first facing the not using the AI. Second is the reduced productivity. The manual work increase time and effort. This is not this automatically you can face this item. That is inefficient data analysis. AI can analyze data. And other slide, we can how apps, which apps this make the AI the analytics. Without AI analyze, this is a large amount, or AI can analyzing the large amount of the data became difficultly. Yeah, this is a very difficult if you're not using the AI. Fourth is over rely in the human labor. This is a workload increase and leading to inefficiency. This is your phasing. This if you're not using the AI. And the final weaker security and fraud detection. Today is the the most of the people the afraid the this sector. This is a fraud. This the fraud the detection is a very important, and most of the our Southeast Asia people the facing, and today our including in Myanmar is a very this fraud, this detection is a very is a important and very dangerous sector. AI helps detect, but I want to the one item you if you want to use AI and other if you want to other technology firstly you need to awareness training is a very important. Yeah, awareness you this is what technology can this is an advantage and disadvantage you are the very clear. This is a very harder this technology, and first you need to time your time this invest your time in the your learning period, and this is a very important. Yeah, this is a final is a weaker security and fraud detection. AI helps detect cyber threat and fraud. This is a which is a harder to do the manually. AI is again this phasing. Yeah, not this is a second this a challenge of the not using the AI. Okay. uh, Most of the people know the technology we can't ignore. Yeah, this is your if you like or you don't like but you can't ignore. AI is the transforming business, education, and daily life, and this is a very important. Not using AI may result in inefficiency, while adopting AI can drive progress and innovation. Yeah, this is a very important slide. You can prepare your life, and you can awareness training is very important. If you are not familiar AI, you need and you I want to use the you must yeah you must need the you learn the AI technology. This is a very important, and in a future area. Okay, this is a main topic in our event. Strengthen business using AI. Okay, AI. What can the AI do the our business and our life career? I want to this main topic. Five or six main topic. I choose this topic. First, I want to show this is a very important AI in market research. If you are apply your this is a business, you must need to the which this market and research is very important. AI can market research and trend analysis, which two AI power to the most of the people Google Trends. Yes, I want to show you a demo the next session. Google Trend is a very powerful, and you can use the free Google Trend. Yeah. Second is the IBM website. This is a second. This is the similarly Google Trend. You can analyze market trend. Is the gold price and the other logistic price and the other wild market. You can learn, and then you can choose which country. If you are still the Myanmar or the other the Singapore, the India, USA, you can select which country you are living, and you can research this data. But most so some country and some nation is the not the involve this transparency their data. You can't search this country, but most of the country and most of the nation can transparency data. You can learn you can learn on the Google Trend. Okay, and second, help understand customer behavior and preference. This is AI can market research and trend analysis. And the third is the predicts. AI is a guess. It predict means guess a future industry shift for the better planning, and this is a very important. This is the first thing. Second is the AI can customer support and chatbot. AI chatbot provide 24/7, and not the human is the not doing this work, because if you are using the human, your many shift your human is a very there's a difficult this work. AI can the 24/7 customer service. Example, ChatGPT, Dialogflow, and this is an example software. And AI can reduce response time and improve customer engagement. If you are using the AI, you can easily customer deal. This is a very important. And the AI power is the voice assistant. Most of the people know the is using the Apple. Siri is the voice assistant. Hi Siri is Siri can apply have your work and your needs. Yeah, this is a very important voice assistant and has user experience. Okay. This is a second continuous AI business is using this sector. First is AI is a marketing advertising. Yeah, you can use the AI, Google AI and Facebook AI. You can see there's a target advertising. Which target and which area, which people, and this you can focus your market area. AI can the market area in advertising. Most of the people know this today is this is using Netflix and there other most people this most popular people popular education sorry business can use the AI. For example, Netflix. Yeah, most of the people know the Netflix. Which actor, which story, the people are interesting. Is using the AI. This is AI technology, and most of the people they're using the TikTok and the other Facebook and using the YouTube. Most of the education sector using the AI technology. You know what is you are interesting? If you are interested that you are sport and this AI the sport news and story and repeat. This is your this is the behavior and is you love this apps. It is a AI doing. Yeah, AI is a marketing and advertising very popular. And this is a very important. AI in data analyze and decision making. The Microsoft Power BI is the most powerful AI tools analyze and the big data. But you need to license. Yeah, you need to Power BI license. If you are using the AI, some of the AI apps are license. You need the license, but there's some of the AI tool is free. Yeah, if you start your life journey within AI, this is I suggest you, and this is you can free apps. This is a very easy and how to use this and how to learn. I will show you the next session. Okay, and then you can this is a AI in automation, which means human being is this is repeating work. Human doing the repeating work. This is a substitute, and this is a robot in the substitution the other area. And most of the people example today USA the reduce the this is employee and 2000 20,000 or 25,000 reduce the human, and it's replace the this robot. This is a very big amount in our life because AI if you not your lonely is your life's career, as you can learn and you can how to improve your life journey within the AI. This is a very important, and this is a advantage and disadvantage is the appearer. This every every technology, yeah, every sector. Oh. And then you can see the AI in cybersecurity and fraud detection, AI in product development and the innovation. This is a very important. Okay, this is a strengthen business using the AI. This item is a very important. I will I will show you the demo the next session. And the second item, this is strengthen education. If you are the if you be the this is your student, if you the if you have the child or your this is this your life career, and this is a very important. AI can personalize learning, which means AI analyze students. Yes, this is a strength and weakness, and this is personalized. It's not the group. This is only the one to one. AI can analyze, and you can see this is a Academy. This is a Coursera. This is a Duolingo. This is a very important. This is the most popular AI learning platform. You can import this platform. Provide the dealer's contact. AI can the tutorial. This is a can real time feedback improve student performance. I will show you the demo next session. And then you can see the smart contact creation AI tools. Example Grammarly, quiz. This is just Jasper AI. This is a very important, and this is the most popular. This is a smart contact creation, and the AI can grading. This is you know which grade you are, the which level you are English, which level you are Japanese, which level you are Chinese. AI can assessment, and this is a very useful the AI using. This is a three item. And other item is AI's power predict analysis. This is a fourth item, and the AI can special education. You can use the AI power tools. Example, speak to text, text to speak apps. This is a very important and a very useful item. And this is a AI in administrator's text. AI automatic scheduling. If you're using the Microsoft Form is this is arrange this item. If you're using the Microsoft Team, you are this for the education plan A1, A3, A5. You can schedule this administrator test. This is a recording test, and very easy. And if you are using the checkbox and handle routing, this is a query reducing workflow for the staff. This is a AI administrator text. Finally, AI powered gamification. This is this engagement. It just like this is Microsoft and Google's. This is a game structure form quick session. This is a very important, and this is a very easy form. Okay, I want to show you a demo. First of all, I want to show the Google trend. You can see this is a Google trend. You can use this a free software, and you can see which item you can explore. So you can explore item, and then you can see which country and which location you're searching. You can choose your location, and you can choose the nation, country. Okay, and then this is a date. You can search custom dates and the past 20th month. This is a date, and then you can see which category. Yeah, you can search finance, health. This is a Google trend. And then if you want to Google, Google, and you can search Google which item this which item you if you want to worldwide, you can choose the worldwide. And Google price is this the Google price, and increase or decrease. This is a very useful item. And you can see which get you can choose this is Google, and this is a Google trend. And the trading now, yes, trading now, you can search the trading period, and this is the trading session. And if you choose the other category, and you can sport, and you can technology, you can travel and transport. This is many sector. This is a Google Trend. This is a free for apps. Okay, and then second, this website is a very useful website, and you can see Coursera. Coursera, this is a very useful website, and you can, if you are free, this you can learn the AI and other sector technology and learning. This is very useful, and this is personalizes, and not only the group. This is your, if you enroll your this is a training session. It is a very easy and very useful. Yes, it's a possible. Yes, and if you are using the Power BI, this is this is my admin center. You can see this my account. If you are using the Microsoft Copilot, you can see this is a Microsoft Copilot lesson. Not you directly can buy a Microsoft Copilot. You need this is a base license is you need. This is the base license is Microsoft 365 is a base license, and the add-on is the Microsoft Copilot. Yeah, Microsoft Copilot is the AI assistant, Microsoft AI assistant. If you are use your WinWatch, you can see, this logo is appear the Microsoft Word in the this right corner, and then you can search that this is a Microsoft Copilot. And if you are using the Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and using the AI, you can most benefit, and your life journey and your business, your education is the very this is advantage period, and the advantage area is this item. Okay, and if you are using the PowerPoint, I want to use the PowerPoint, and then this I want to use a creating the PowerPoint presentation, and strengthen business education using AI. PowerPoint can create the presentation slide. It is I think 2 or 3 minutes. Within 2 or 3 minutes, we can achieve this slide. This is a very useful AI assistant. Yeah. And this AI assistant can involve the picture, and if you want to use the video, AI can add the videos slide. This is a very easy and very useful. Yeah. You must need to the license, Copilot license. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. You can see this picture, and very uh, beautiful picture and very beautiful slide. Yeah, and this is a very easy using the Microsoft Copilot AI. Yeah, and this is Copilot AI. And then if you are used your Excel, and you can use the this Excel with the Copilot Excel. Yeah, and this is a very useful. Yeah, I want to back my slide. Okay, final. I want to show you that this is how to study. Yeah, this is a very important section. How to study. I want to just recommend the first. This is a Coursera. This is a AI for everyone. Class is a very useful and very beginner learning. Coursera AI for learning. You can search. This is a AI for everyone, and then you can search this course. I think this is a free course. And then second is a Microsoft AI for beginner. You can search Microsoft AI for beginner. I think it's a 12 weeks or 24 hour. This is this is Microsoft course. And the second is the books. And the second the books, if you want to read AI technology, this beginner books, you can search this PDF file. This two big book is a very important and very clear. Very and This is a book is a very clear AI books. Yeah, how to study this? I want to recommend this three item. First is video training, and second is books. Okay, and then second, continue. If you want to online learning platform, this platform is a very useful platform, and you can use the AI tools and framework, AI community and forum. You if you want to start, this is a AI study. Yeah, and I want to show the demo and Coursera. Coursera, this is a site, and then this is a free section. If you can see AI for everyone, AI for everyone, this course, and you can enroll your go through, and then you can see this module is a full module, and then you can see week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and you can learn your life journey. Okay, and this is a training session. This is a free for your this is a learning part. Okay, and this is a course Coursera, and then other, if you are using Microsoft LinkedIn Learning is not the free. Uh, you can purchase. This is a subscription, and then you can see this is a Microsoft LinkedIn Learning is a very useful item. I love this training platform, and you can search the AI for everyone AI training, and you can see this is a AI learning. This is a AI technology, and you can search the AI. Yeah, and this is not free, and this is you can purchase this item. And third, final, I want to show you the GitHub. Yeah, GitHub is a Microsoft. Yes, this item, and then you can search. Google and the AI for beginner. You can see this is AI for beginner, Microsoft open source. You can learn you can see that this is a 12-week a 24 lesson include curriculum, and you can start your AI journey. This is a very useful resources. Yeah, and if you want to read your books, you can search the PDF file. I want to back our session. Sorry. Okay. I believe this resource and this idea you can apply your life journey. This is a very important and this is a useful resource. And then I want to show last session. This is This change is always coming. Everybody known as the change is every always coming. This is a just matter of being the prepare. Prepare is a very important. Yeah. I recommend. I think you can step your life journey. And the second is this 2025 is the bidder generation is started. Most of the people know this is a bidder generations in 2025 to 2039. So I'm Generation X. I born the 1978. This is my in the year, and this is a if you search which years you born, this is which is a generation and which generation you born. This is a beta generation. Beta generation can using the born within the AI. Yeah. And then this is the changes. And most of the people know artificial intelligence and human intelligence is the parallel. And this most of the people know your supercomputer can guess and predict our career. And most of the people this love the football. I love football and score soccer. I love this which team has won this trade. But because supercomputer can guess on the data, data. But human is the every this is more than the artificial intelligence. Very important is the one is the emotional intelligence. This is a very important. This intelligence is a very important more than the this is a emotion intelligence is a more than important. So I want to tell this is a artificial intelligence robot can everything, but a robot human control the robot. This is higher, the human is a highest. Yeah. Okay, I believe it. Yeah. And then do you know the type of the AI? AI is a three type. Today AI is a three type. Weak AI. Most of the call this common call is the narrow AI. And second is the strong AI. General AI is also called the general AI. Final is the super AI, artificial super intelligence. Today, which type of the which step the AI? It is weak AI is the today is the weak AI step, and not this the only the strong AI is the this complete strong AI, and not the start the strong AI. Next generation and next appear the we are facing the super AI. Is the super AI is higher AIs. We call the artificial super intelligence, and this is a final. This is a AI type. And then we are facing this is today we are facing the strong AI and the weak AI is today we are facing. But AI can every sector and every this education, health, and other educate this business. AI can drive most of the area. Yeah. Because AI is left one step. It means it's a super AI. Okay. I believe if you want your life journey as the life career, this is the first step is a very important. Yeah, you if you want to you're using the AI, you can start your life journey first step. This is a very important, and then I believe this I'm sure you can handle the AI your life career journey, and so I'm thank you so much for your appreciate time. And Suresh, which I want to say the our question session, and then you can I want to see. Okay, I feel well from attention. Okay, okay,
Hey,
okay.
thank you, Zani,
Thank
for the
you,
session.
thank you.
Let's give them 2 minutes if they have any questions.
Yeah.
And also, if it'll be great if you can drop the link to that AI training, which was free, um, for everybody to directly go there.
Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah. Thank you so much. Suresh, we will uh, today is the seventh time of the our organization. I will see you the next eight time. Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
it's been long, right? And
Yeah,
we're
yeah.
always coming
I
back.
yeah. Thank you, Suresh. Yeah, my friend. Yeah,
We are always happy to have you and
yeah,
coming back and sharing the knowledge. Really do
yeah,
appreciate that.
yeah.
Uh,
Suresh, where is the attendance link there? Yeah,
Yeah, I'm just dropping that. So
yeah.
before that before you fill out the certificate, please to join one of the communities so you do not miss out our upcoming sessions. And afterwards, you can fill out the form to get your certificate, and that will be on Monday to just to remind. So it won't be today. So it will be sent out on Monday.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, Marvin. Yeah, thank you, Ma. Thank you.
Yeah. I think there is no questions.
Yeah, yeah. If you
Okay
have a
then.
question, you can ask the Suresh, and Suresh can attach for me. Yeah. Thank you, Suresh. Okay. Bye bye.
Thank
Bye bye.
thank you everyone. Have
Minglawa.
a
Yeah,
have a great
yeah.
weekend and see you again in the next session.
Thank you. Thank you so much.